Good morning. Welcome to Ummul Qura Education System. Okay, students, I am your English teacher and class LKG. Students, we are going to learn vowels and consonants. We have 26 letters in alphabets. Students, first we will revise alphabets. Let's start learning the ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are 5 special letters in English alphabets: A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. Students, we will find out vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Now let's meet the consonants. There are so many consonants. They help vowels make words. When vowels and consonants come together, they make a sound. Like ba, ka, ma. Ba, ka, ma. These are consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay kids, these are vowels and consonants. You can do this work. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.